This video is for the install of this cordless blind from Home Depot. This is the model number. This is sort of like a generic window blind, vinyl ones. There's no brand name. That's the model number. About $12, $13 for the 36 to 64 inches. 36 inches wide, 64 inches long. Cordless, certified, kids safe, no strings. From Home Depot. To hang the blinds is helpful to have a 1/8 drill bit to pre-drill the holes and a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a level, and a pencil or pen to mark the hole, and then a hammer to make any sideways adjustment if you want to move it left or right a little bit. So you mark the two brackets where you want to have it installed, and I use a 1/8 drill bit to pre-drill the holes. So this is the outside of the window frame installation. So the two brackets shouldn't interfere with the blinds up and down mechanism. You can look at it from the top of the channel of the blinds and you can see where the mechanisms are. So you position the clip as shown in this video here. Before you mount the shades, position the room darkening hook adjustment to the front. Okay, to install, clip the lip here onto the clip here. So you do that on both sides and just position it the way you want it, and then just twist clockwise. Okay. Yeah, like that. Now it's secured. And then you climb down and check to see if it is okay. And that's how to remove the shade, you twist counterclockwise. Wow. Okay. Don't do it with one hand. Okay, looking good. This is a cheaper light filtering kind. The room darkening kinds are a bit more expensive, so buy the one you want to have in your room.